I datang sebab I nak minta maaf pasal semalam.
Enggak aja.
Ai tutup mata kita ya.
Tak suka nak main tutup mata macam ni, Abang.
Kalau tak tutup mata tak surprise lah.
Ada je, Abang. Kat sini?
Ha.
Sini kan?
Gimana cara bagimu untuk terus begini hadapi
Not to say that I'm not nak perkecilkan Yusri, but at the same time Muzaffar was written in a way that is very lovable. So I'm glad that I played that role. In fact, our single was supposed to be released earlier, but because I cakap let's not kill this. Let's buat the flow cantik. Then when the right time comes, that's why kita release the single today. So saya rasa it fits in well. When things fall to place, it just fall to place. Kita tak pernah plan. In fact, awal masa diorang cakap nak buat ni dengan Eternal punya konsep ni, I cakap, you know guys, I got a drama coming out soon. I have grey hair here. Nanti tak kena dengan image you all. Little that I know, it helped. It actually membantu to the promotion of this. That's the thing, is rezeki Allah kan, kita dapat plan. And Alhamdulillah, semua berjalan lancar. I hope we dapat terima the support, the continuous support. The fans have been awesome throughout our time, 33 years, 34 years. Can't ask for more. Their support has been tremendous, and I hope diteruskan lah. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you Sony, thank you Astro for a wonderful year so far. This baru bulan 6
Drama pun dia, music video pun dia, lagu pun dia, semua dah. Semua dia. Tak, ni drama dia ya, pelakon-pelakon.
Mana nak tahu.